So hopefully you guys know what this is. If you've ever parked your motorcycle in a parking lot on asphalt, and you come outside and your bike's laying on the ground and you're like, oh my god, somebody knocked my bike over. What happened? No. And you go over to it and you try and lift it up and you can't get it up and you're like, oh my god, why is it stuck to the ground? Oh my god. And then you realize the kickstand, at least here in Florida, the asphalt, whatever it's called, gets so hot that this little kickstand will dig into the asphalt and the bike will fall over. I've had my old Kawasaki fall over 4 times in a parking lot. And so, you know what motorcyclers do? That's why you see motorcycle people parking in front of the building or on a sidewalk or over by the bike stands, because that's where there's concrete and your bike won't fall over. So, but you can also get a ticket that way. But with this magical foot extender, I'll put a link below for this one. This bad boy goes on your kickstand, and when you put your kickstand down, bam, you got this big footprint. And hopefully it'll keep your bike from falling over. The only thing I don't like about it is I got a whole black theme going with my bike, and this is silver. So I think we're going to go ahead and paint this, and we're going to make it all black. And I'm a big fan of high heat engine paint. That stuff is very durable. So we're going to go ahead and paint it with this after we Scotch-Brite it and clean it and get it all set up. And we're going to put it on the bike. Alright, let's get started. Alright, first we need to take off this cover. I lied to you guys. Not going to use some Scotch-Brite. I got some 800 grit sandpaper. I'm just going to scuff it up a little bit. So that's just going to get it a little roughness so the paint will stick. Don't have to do nothing. I'm not trying to sand it down to reshape it. A little screw head. Doing the tops. Now we're going to clean it up. This is just plain alcohol. White, we're going to do some white even coats. Alright, time for coat 2. Gonna get the moleskin. Alright, now we let her dry. 1 hour. Go with some blue Loctite. Bring it out of the way. Put our foot in. Alright, there we go. Alright, and the chain, it's got clearance, so if the chain ever does come down, it'll miss the foot. It's definitely a way bigger footprint, so shouldn't have any issues parking in asphalt. Yeah, it looks good. Blends good. I can hardly notice it. I think it adds to it. Alright. Well, if you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe. Let me bring you guys some more content.